Today, I'm going to show you a side hustle that can generate thousands of dollars with minimal effort. You don't need to have skills in art or design. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. We will be using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI to create sticker designs that you can sell online. In this video, we will go over how to generate sticker design ideas using ChatGPT, transform those ideas into stickers using Leonardo AI, and create mock-ups of your stickers that you can sell online. To generate an idea, go to ChatGPT. It's completely free and all you have to do is sign in. Then type in the prompt, generate 10 ideas for a cute sticker design that I could sell, and hit enter. It should generate 10 sticker design ideas for you. Here's what ChatGPT came up with. From here, you can choose the one that stands out the most or the one you like the best. For this example, I will choose number 7, Adventure Awaits. Now, I want to generate sticker ideas specifically for the Adventure Awaits concept. So, I just type generate 10 sticker ideas for Adventure Awaits and hit enter. It will now generate 10 sticker designs centered around the Adventure Awaits theme. If you already have a sticker idea in mind, feel free to skip this step. I just want to demonstrate how to generate ideas for a sticker design in case you're having trouble coming up with one. Now that we have a sticker design idea, let's bring it to life using Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is like Midjourney, but it's free. It's an awesome image generator that can create stunning images based on the prompts you give it. You can make images just like the ones you see on the screen right now. If you want to learn more about Leonardo AI, I made a video about it. You can check it out in the description or pinned comment below. To access Leonardo AI, simply go to their website and click on Launch up in the top right corner. Then enter your first name and email and click on Count Me In. A message might pop up about joining their Discord, but you can ignore that. Just go back, click Launch App again, and select Yes, I'm whitelisted. Now you're inside Leonardo AI. On the side, you'll see an option for AI image generation. Click on that to generate your image. Leonardo AI works with tokens, and you have 150 free tokens to start with. Each image you generate will use up some tokens, but don't worry. If you run out, your token count will reset in 24 hours. That means you'll get another 150 free tokens every day. This box here is where we type our prompts. But before we generate an image, let's change the model first. To do that, go here and select Custom Model and Community Model. Search for stickers and choose the one by Blademort. This model is great for creating sticker designs specifically. Just click Generate with this model, and we can start creating our stickers. Now, I'll use this prompt, which I'm going to put in the description below. But before we hit Generate, we need to input a sticker design idea. Going back to ChatGPT where we generated sticker ideas earlier. One idea caught my attention, a retro camper van in a scenic landscape. That's what I'll choose for the sticker design. You can add the rest of the text to the prompt. However, it's important to note that adding text to the output image using an image generator isn't a good idea. The text may contain spelling errors or the text may be malformed. So, I'll copy this text and paste it into the prompts. I'll click 4 to generate 4 images and disable high contrast, then hit Generate. And this is what Leonardo AI has created for us. To generate another set of images, click on the 3 dots and select Generate again. This will give us a new set of images. Here is what the new set of images looks like. If you have an image you like and want to create different variations, like in this example, I'll choose this particular picture. To make a variation of the image, download it by clicking the button right here, and right-click and save images. This should now be saved onto your computer. Then, go back and scroll down on the left side and find Image to Image. This tool will create another picture that looks exactly like the one we uploaded. Just upload the downloaded image and click Generate. This will generate a variation of the image. And there you have it. Now you can pick the one you like the most. In this case, I chose this clean-looking image without any malformations. The next step is to remove the background from our image. You can do this by clicking the button right here. However, please note that the downloaded image may have low pixel quality, so it's recommended to upscale it. There are 4 buttons below that offer different upscale variations. You can read the descriptions to better understand what each option does to your image. In this case, I'll choose HD Crisp Upscale, which will make the image sharper while retaining important details. Just click on it, and the image will be upscaled accordingly. Here's what it looks like after the upscale. To download the image, click the download button below and right-click and save images. This image should now be saved on your computer. To remove the background, you can use Photoshop if you have it or have purchased it. However, in this video, we will use a free alternative called Photopea. Photopea is a web-based photo editing tool that functions similarly to Photoshop, but it's free. I'm using Photopea for those who don't have Photoshop, and you can just follow along. If you do have Photoshop, you can still follow along as the procedures are quite similar. To start, create a new project by clicking on New Project and change the measurement dimensions to inches. Set the DPI to 300 and set the width and height to 10. Once you are on the blank canvas, simply upload your image by dragging it onto the canvas. Next, let's remove the white border line that Leonardo added to make the picture look more like a sticker. For now, we will focus on the picture itself and exclude the white border. To do this, locate the Quick Selection tool on the left side of the screen. Just right-click this icon and choose Quick Selection. You can adjust the cursor size by pressing the bracket key and clicking on the image to make a selection. Zoom in by holding the Alt key or the Command key and scrolling the mouse wheel. Ensure that your selection is within the picture itself and not the white border. To subtract from the selection, hold the Alt key or the Command key and select the parts you don't want to include. You can use the space bar to temporarily activate the hand tool, allowing you to pan across the canvas. To add to the selection, simply hold the Shift key and select the parts you want to include. Once you're done, we want to smooth the quick selection. Go to Select, then Modify, and choose Smooth. Set the value to 6 pixels. Next, go back to Select, Modify, and select Contract. Set the value to 5 pixels. This will shrink the quick selection and make it clean, avoiding any white border. Press Ctrl-J to add the selection to another layer. Click the eye icon next to the original layer and the background to hide them. As you can see, the background is now removed. To download the image, go to File, then Export As, and select PNG to save the image with a transparent background. Hit Save, and it will be saved to your computer. If you want to sell your stickers, it's best to have mockups to bring them to life. Many websites, like Printify, offer free mockups that you can use. Alternatively, you can create your own mockups. All you need is a printer and sticker paper. Simply print your stickers, cut them out, and place them where you want. Or take pictures of them without actually sticking them. Another option is to create mockups using Photopea or Photoshop. Let me show you how to create your mockups. First, upload your sticker and remove the background, but this time, keep the white border. Next, add a background. I will use a wooden background for this example, but feel free to choose any background that suits your stickers. You can find free background images on websites like Freepik. Simply search for a background you like, such as a wooden background, and pick one that works well with your stickers. Once you have found and downloaded the background you want to use, you can upload it to Photopea by simply dragging and dropping the picture onto the canvas. Drag the background layer below the sticker layer to send it to the back. Then, click on the transform control located at the top to adjust your background and make it fit within your canvas. Double-click on the layer to show the layer style, and check the drop shadow option. And this is what my settings of the drop shadow look like. Feel free to customize the drop shadow settings to your liking. And you have now a mock-up. Another mock-up idea is to resize your sticker and duplicate your image by pressing Ctrl-J and arranging the duplicates to look like a sticker sheet. And if you already have multiple sticker designs, you can create a sticker sheet just like I did. And there you have it. You now have stickers that you can sell. All you need to do is list your stickers online on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. And if you have sticker sheets, you can sell them individually or as a set. Then, sit back and wait for the money to come rolling in. Did you enjoy this video and find it helpful? Show us some love in the comments section. And please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. We'll see you in the next one.